Hello students, hope you all are fine. Now in this video I am going to start with practical problems of capital account. Before I start, I suggest you all to please like and subscribe my channel. Before moving ahead with the topic of today's class, first we will revise the concept of previous class in which I told you that capital account can be prepared by two methods. First, fixed capital method. Second, fluctuating capital method. Under fixed capital method, we will prepare two accounts. One, capital account. Two, current account. And capital account in fixed method can only be changed when capital withdrawn or introduced. Whereas under fluctuating capital method, only one account is prepared and its name is capital account. And if question is silent regarding the nature of capital account, we always prefer fluctuating capital account. Now first practical problem on capital account. Before I start, please take your notebook and pen in your hand and start copying the thing given in red font. On 1st April 2017, A and B commenced business with capitals of rupees 60,000 and 20,000 respectively. On 31st March 2018, the profit before taking into effect of appropriation was rupees 24,000. The interest on capital is to be allowed at 6%. B was entitled to a salary of rupees 500 per month. The drawings of partners A and B were rupees 6,000 and 4,000 respectively. The interest on drawing for A being rupees 200 and for B rupees 100. Assuming that A and B are equal partners, prepare profit and loss appropriation account on 31st March 2018 and prepare partners capital account. Now finally preparation of profit and loss appropriation account. If you remember the content of last to last class, you know that net profit is to be written on credit side. So I am starting question by writing net profit on credit side. Its amount is rupees 24,000. Then on credit side we will write the interest on drawing, which is already given to us at as rupees 200 for A and rupees 300 for B. On adding them we will write 500 in outer column. And on the other side, it means debit side, we will start giving appropriation. First appropriation is B's salary, which is of rupees 500 per month, which is equivalent to 6,000. And interest on capital is at 6%. A's interest is of rupees 3,600 and B's interest is of rupees 1,200. In total, we will write 4,800 on debit side. At end, we will compute the balancing figure of the two sides, which comes to be 13,500, which will be termed as divisible profit. And if you remember that in last to last class I told you the balancing figure of profit and loss appropriation account is known as divisible profit. So we will divide that profit in their profit sharing ratio and we will write with the name of profit transferred to capital account A 1/2 of 13,500, B 1/2 of 13,500, which is 6750. Now topic for the day, partners capital account. In this question we will prepare partners capital account. Format for partners capital account is particular name of partners, particular again name of partners. On credit side, first we will write the opening balances of capital, which were of rupees 60,000 and 20,000 respectively. Then we will start writing the things which will increase your capital on credit side and the things which decrease the capital on debit side. So appropriations always increase the capital, like interest on capital of rupees 3600 and 1200 are to be written on credit side. Salary to B is to be written on credit side, and profit of rupees 6750 on credit side. And then we will start writing the things which will decrease your capital, like drawings and interest on drawing on debit side. The amounts of drawings for A rupees 6000 and for B rupees 4000, and interest on drawing rupees 200 for A and rupees 100 for B. And on balancing the two accounts, we will get balance CD or closing balance of capital. For A is 70,150 and for B it is 23,850. For better understanding of the capital account, I am doing one more question. In this question, two partners are there. Their name is Simi and Sonu. They are sharing profit and losses in the ratio 3:1. Please highlight the thing 3:1. The profit and losses of the firm for the year ending 31st March 2006 shown a net profit of rupees 1,50,000. Please copy the thing, net profit of rupees 1,50,000. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account by considering the following items. Partners capital on 1st April 2005 was Sumi rupees 30,000 and Sonu rupees 60,000. Current account balances on 1st April 2005 was Simi rupees 30,000 and Sonu rupees 15,000. And as I told you in previous class, current account may have debit or credit balance. Therefore, it is specifically given in this question that current account shows credit balance. Now, C part, partners drawing during the year amounted to rupees Simi rupees 20,000 and Sonu rupees 15,000. D part, interest on capital is to be allowed at 5% per annum. Interest on drawing was to be charged at 6% per annum for average of 6 months. It means months are already given to us. So hence there is no need to compute the period of drawing. Finally, F, partner salary. Simi rupees 12,000, Sonu rupees 9,000. And also show partners capital account and current account. Now on reading the question, it is clearly visible to us that firm is following fixed capital method. Now first we will prepare profit and loss appropriation account. If you remember, in previous question I told you first we have to write the net profit on credit side. So profit in this question from profit and loss account is of rupees 1,50,000. Then we will start giving interest on capital. For computing interest on capital, we will do some computation through working note, which is our working note number 1. Now, calculation of interest on capital is equal to total amount of capital which is fixed. It means that capital will remain fixed for whole year into month by 12 into rate by 100. Now for Simi, that amount is 30,000. Since capital is fixed and there is no withdrawal or addition of capital is given to us, hence that capital will remain fixed for 12 months. So 30,000 into 12 by 12 into 5 by 100, which is equal to rupees 1500. And Sonu's interest is 60,000 into again 12 by 12 because capital is fixed into 5 by 100 equal to 3,000. On completion of computation of interest on capital, we will start doing our working note number 2, which is for computation of interest on drawing. And interest on drawing equal to total amount of drawing into month by 12 into rate by 100. For Simi, drawing amount is rupees 20,000 and month is already given to us in the question was 6 month. So 6 by 12 into 6 by 100 we will get rupees 600, and Sonu's drawings are of rupees 15,000 into 6 by 12 into 6 by 100 equal to 450. On completion of workings of interest on drawing and interest on capital, we will start substituting those value in profit and loss appropriation account. First, we will write interest on capital on debit side, which is Simi will get rupees 1500, Sonu will get rupees 3000. In total 4500 will be written in outer column, and interest on drawing is to be written on credit side as a charge from partners. Simi has to pay rupees 600 and Sonu has to pay rupees 450. So in total they will pay 1050, and after posting the outcome of workings we will post salary, and salary for Simi is rupees 12,000 and Sonu will get 9,000. So these amounts are to be posted on debit side. Now on completion of substituting all the appropriations, we will compute the amount of divisible profit. When we compute the amount of divisible profit, it comes to be 1,25,550, which is to be divided in their profit sharing ratio. Now distribution of profit is our working note number 3, and which was agreed to be distributed by Simi and Sonu in the ratio 3:1. So when we divide 125,550 in 3:1, then Simi will get 94,163 and Sonu will get 31,387. Now after completion of working note number 3, we will substitute that value in profit and loss appropriation account with the name of two partners' current account. Simi will get 94,163, Sonu will get 31,387. Before moving ahead, we should know that I am writing current account here because, as I told you in previous class, in case of fixed capital method, all the transactions for the year must be passed through partner's current account. Therefore, fixed method entry will be passed through current account, and when fluctuating capital account is there, we will write two partners capital account. On completion of preparation of profit and loss appropriation account, we will start preparing partners capital account by fixed capital method. In this, capital will remain fixed. It can only be changed in two circumstances: when capital withdrawn or capital introduced. But in this question, none of the two is given to us. So first we will write opening capitals, which are 30,000 for Simi and 60,000 for Sonu, and it will also be termed as closing capital. It means balance CD will be the same, 30,000 for Simi and 60,000 for Sonu. On completion of partners capital account under fixed capital method, if you remember the topic which we discussed in last class, in which I told you that under fixed capital method we will prepare two types of account: one partners capital account, second partners current account. Now I am preparing partners current account. See, if you read the question, partners current account shows credit balance. So first we will write credit balance by the name of by balance BD on credit side, which is rupees 30,000 for Simi and rupees 15,000 for Sonu. Then we will start giving appropriations which will increase the capital. First, interest on capital for Simi, which is rupees 1500, and for Sonu rupees 3000, and salary which is 12,000 for Simi and 9,000 for Sonu, and then profit for the year, which is divisible profit. Then divisible profit from profit and loss appropriation account, which is 94,163 for Simi and 31 387 for Sonu. After writing the things on credit side, we will start writing the things on debit side which will reduce capital. First is drawing. Drawing for Simmi is 20,000 and Sonu is rupees 15,000. Interest on drawing for Simmi is 600 and Sonu is rupees 450. After writing all the necessary information, we will compute the balancing figure which will be known as to balance CD, and that amount is 117063 for Simmi and 42937 for Sonu. That's it. Now finally the last thing, please like and subscribe my channel, and in next class we will start learning treatment of past adjustment, which is one of the most important topic. So goodbye and stay safe.